This is the Logitech M590 Silent mouse. The idea is you feel the click but you don't hear the noise of the click. This was important for me, so when I was editing my videos I didn't keep hearing the click of the mouse through the speaker and then having to remove the sound afterwards. So I was happy to know that you can buy a silent clicking mouse, and this is the one I tried and I'm very happy with it. It's been a great buy. I now no longer hear the clicks through the microphone whilst I'm editing. This mouse uses a 1AA battery which has a 24-month battery life, and here you'll also see the USB dongle that you can plug into your laptop or your PC, or you can choose to use the Bluetooth method and not use the dongle at all, if your laptop or PC can connect through Bluetooth. Here you can see the on and off switch, so remember to switch this off when you've finished using it to save the battery life. Here you can see me testing out the click. You'll also notice there's two buttons on the right hand side. Now we're all good to go. Now we're going to have a look at comparing my old Logitech mouse with the new silent Logitech mouse and see for yourself the difference. So every time I was recording a voiceover, I could always hear the click at the start or end of each clip. So here I'm holding each mouse quite close to the microphone for you to hear the sound, but when using it on the table I really don't hear it anymore. Now I'm going to quickly show you the instructions that come with it. Now I'm going to show you when editing the video, the spikes in the audio when using each mouse. This is me adding a noise reduction effect to the audio, which will just eliminate some background noise, but you can still hear the clicks. When using the mouse, you'll be asked to install this little program, which will show you more information about the mouse, and will also give you the option to change the function of what each button does, which you can just double click to change. At the top there's more tabs for adjustments. And here you can see the price and information that it shows online. Thanks for watching. I'll leave links and information in the description below. Welcome to the channel, subscribe and like, and I'll see you on the next one.